The Law of Unconditional Gifting. How trauma turns gifts into expectations, and how our reset model restores true generosity. The conditional gift, how trauma turns giving into emotional extortion. Children instinctively give their gift: warmth, empathy, creativity, honesty, peace, leadership, presence. They give spontaneously, naturally, joyfully. But when the child grows up in an environment where love is conditional, affection is unpredictable, approval is inconsistent, attention is rare, safety is absent, rejection is common, the child learns a painful psychological equation: my gift is the price I pay for love. So the gift becomes a transaction, a survival strategy, a bargaining chip, an emotional currency, not a free expression. 1. The child learns, if I give enough of myself, maybe I won't be abandoned. This happens silently and early. The child thinks, if I'm warm enough, maybe mom will calm down. If I'm helpful enough, maybe dad will stay. If I'm agreeable enough, maybe they won't fight. If I'm good enough, maybe I won't be punished. If I'm loving enough, maybe they won't reject me. This turns the authentic gift into conditional giving, which is emotional self-abandonment. 2. Conditional giving turns the gift into extortion. Adults don't realize it, but the pattern becomes, I give you my gift, but I expect love in return. I help you, but I expect appreciation. I support you emotionally, but please don't abandon me. I listen, but please see me too. This is not manipulative, it is trauma logic. A child begging for safety. But in adult relationships, it backfires. Because conditional gifts feel like pressure, responsibility, guilt, obligation, emotional debt. This is why people sometimes pull away from empaths, they feel the silent contract. 3. The birthday gift metaphor. Let's put it in reset terms: an unconditional birthday gift. You give it, you release attachment, you trust the relationship, you feel joy in giving. A conditional trauma gift comes with an expectation: I'm giving you this gift, but you must update me weekly about how much you appreciate it, and you must use it the way I intended. Nobody wants such a gift. Not because the gift is bad, but because the conditions suffocate. This is what empaths unconsciously do: give too much, too early, too intensely. With silent expectations, because they fear rejection. Reset explanation: the gift is used to buy safety instead of express authenticity. 4. The rule of unconditional gifting. Before you give your gift to the world, you must give it to yourself first. Unconditionally. Why? Because, if you cannot receive your own gift, you will demand it from others. If you cannot value your gift internally, you will resent how others treat it. If you cannot fill yourself with your gift, you will give from depletion. If you cannot meet your own needs, your giving becomes a hidden cry for help. When you gift yourself, you fill your own cup, you meet your own emotional needs, you stabilize your nervous system. You feel valued, you experience safety, your identity integrates. Only then can you give freely. 5. How to know when to stop giving. This is critical for empaths. If the other person cannot handle your first gift with care, stop giving more. Reset expands this into a clinical rule: never give more than the other can responsibly receive. Otherwise, you overwhelm them, you burn yourself out, you create silent contracts, you reinforce the trauma child, you collapse gift into duty. So the rule becomes: give once. Pause. Observe. If they show appreciation, take responsibility, reciprocate, integrate the gift, respect your boundaries, you may give again. If they ignore it, misuse it, feel entitled, take without giving, disrespect the gift, do not integrate it. Stop. Now. Stop giving more. This is not punishment. It is stability. It prevents your overwhelm, depletion, conditional giving, parentification, trauma reenactment. 6. Why this works. When you give unconditionally, the gift stops being a bargaining tool. When you give without expectation, you stop giving when it's not respected. You receive your own gift first, you stabilize your own needs. Something magical happens: your gift no longer comes from fear. It comes from abundance. This is the healed state. The adult self expresses the gift instead of the trauma child, using the gift to satisfy a hidden agenda they even often call love, while it is actually hidden fear. 7. When you become the gift. Once this happens, giving feels light, boundaries feel natural, reciprocity feels organic, guilt dissolves, resentment disappears. You only give when it feels authentic. You stop overgiving, you stop rescuing, you stop controlling outcomes, you stop negotiating for love. And the most beautiful part, you attract people who cherish your gift because you cherish it first. That's what we call love, all else is fake. Make your gift real, realistic and, above all, make it your reset reality.